Hello guys, welcome to automobenthu. Uh, Today I'm coming with the crash test result of the Volkswagen Taigun and the Skodakushaq. It has been recently done on 15th of October. I mean, this car has actually performed much better than what we have expected because recently the global NCAP has updated its norm, but in spite the norms has been updated, the car has scored perfect 5 star for the adult safety and 5 star in child safety. So today, actually, I'm going to discuss why these car have marked an another league in terms of safety, and the reason is the 5 star in the adult safety and a 5 star in the child safety. Even after the gncap has updated its norm, so. And to be honest, I find that the Volkswagen Taigun and Skoda scores more on the safety compared to the Volkswagen Polo. Even though the Volkswagen Polo is considered to be a safest car, but yes, the new 2.0 version is even more safer. So now I'm going to show you like how they have made it the test and how they fared out very well in terms of safety. So this is the Volkswagen Taigun and the Kushaq and the Skoda Kushaq crash test, and the car which you can see here is Skodakushaq, and actually the test actually valid for both because these both cars shares the same platform. Even the Volkswagen has Taiwan also been tested, but here we can see only the Skoda Kushaq has been posted here. But yes, both the cars have been tested, Volkswagen Taiwan and the Skoda Kushaq. So you can see it has scored almost five. It has scored 5 star to 9.64 maximum out of 34 in adult safety, which is really commendable for the car of this price. And in terms of child safety, it is the first car which has scored 5 star. It has scored 42 points out of 49 in child safety. There was no doubt about it. The Volkswagen Skoda has been focusing on the safety since long time. Even that Polo has received 0 star just due to non-airbags model. They after that they take it seriously and they included airbags, and then they have actually made this car for a made the Polo for a cash test in 2 to 3 years later on. And after that the car is good proper 4 star with the body shell stable. So this is really good, and by the time I've also opened a Volkswagen Polo crash test result, which is according to the previous or the old norms of the I mean the old protocols of the gncap. So here you can see in that regard that it has scored 12.454 out of 17, and in terms of child safety it has scored 3 stars. So I'm I was not expecting that these 2.0 is more capable than the older car, and you can see it has scored even better. So now coming to the model which I tested, you already said it is Volkswagen Tiguan and the Skoda Kushaq body type. It's everybody knows five door SUV including one boot and four doors for the passenger. 5 year of okay. The crash test is the 14451, and this is made in India and valid for India market. Front bag is yes standard. Belt pretensioner is standard for both passenger and driver. Belt load limiter is standard both for a passenger and driver. Something is not applicable. Knee airbag is not available since it was I guess a base model. So yes, the base comes with two airbags. The side airbag is not available. Okay, isofix is there on outboard seat. Okay, airbag cutoff is no. So safety reminder is there. Yes, it also meets a pedestrian protection UN 127 norms. ESC is standard. Yes, I guess it gets from a base model. So yes, there Volkswagen, I mean the Skoda and Volkswagen is taking care of like providing ESC from the base model. Here you can see now coming to the adult protection area graph where you can see the head is almost good. I mean it is the safest here. Even the chest area of the passenger is green. Coming to this area. It also shows a good protection. Legs have a good protection. Knee is a good protection. On the driver side, it's marginal, but here it's adequate. I mean, yes, it's good actually. It's adequate in the leg area. It has scored 14.1 point here, and inside movable deformable barrier test, it has scored 14.5. Side pole impact test has also been done in the new according to new terms, and where it has performed okay. They have written okay. Body cell is stable as expected. Side structural row structure is yes, it has been provided. Here you can see the statement for the global ANCAP. They said that the car has showed good protection, then the chest area showed good protection, good adequate protection, and the passenger driver chest, driver and passenger knees showed good protection, driver trabea showed marginal and adequate protection, passenger driver showed good protection, footwell area as well as body shell is rated stable, and which means that it is capable of withstanding further loading. Uh, side impact has been done. Side pole impact has also been done in a test. EAC is there, so it meets the fitment area requirements and the performance shown in the test. uh, I mean, there is no reason why I have seen so much of people bashing this VW and Skoda 2.0 cars, that their build is decreased and the safety is not like a older car. But here the scene is different. You can see that it is even better than the previous model, even though the global NCAP has somehow restricted the norms, and now they have made it to 34, and out of that the car has scored 29.64, which is absolutely brilliant. I mean, for the price of the car, and I mean, it has marked a good number. And even in child safety, it was not expected with any of the Indian brands, but here you can see it has scored proper 5 star. So it is really good. So my motto is why this car should not sell. This car should sell around 10,000 units because this deserves a sell over those new Koreans and the Chinese cars, because they need the space. These cars actually cares for the Indian brand, for the Indian safety, for the Indian consumer safety, and we haven't seen any Volkswagen or Skoda scoring poor in safety, because their main target is to provide safety, and they do not provide optional safety to the cars. They have a standard safety across that all models and variants, so there is no question about it. I mean, these cars are really good. This must sell, and hats off to Volkswagen Skoda that they are actually taking care of that. And soon the Slavian waters will also get tested according to some source. So that's hope for the best. Thank you, and keep watching Automobenthu.